Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arvito Putra and I am from Group 6 for SC8. Today, I'm gonna make a journal review about pembuatan situs portal berita seputar kampus Universitas Gunadarma menggunakan Framework PHP CodeIgniter and basis data MySQL. What will be discussed in this project? First, what is CodeIgniter? Next, what is MySQL? And what is PHP? And last, website design and structure. First, I'm gonna share my screen. Okay, what is CodeIgniter? CodeIgniter is a PHP MVC framework used for developing web application rapidly. CodeIgniter provides out-of-the-box libraries for connecting to the database and performing various operations like sending emails, uploading files, managing sessions, and etc. Next, what is MySQL? MySQL is an open-source relation database management system with a client-server model. RDBMS is a software or service used to create and manage database based on a relation model. And next, MySQL and SQL is very different. They are not the same. Be aware that MySQL is one of the most popular RDBMS software brand names, which implements a client-server model. So, how do the client and server communicate in a RDBMS environment? Well, they use a domain-specific language, structured query language, or SQL. If you ever encounter other names that have SQL in them, like PostgreSQL and Microsoft SQL Server, they are most likely brands which also use SQL syntax. Next, I'm gonna explain about PHP. What is PHP? PHP is a server-side scripting language that is embedded in HTML. It used to manage dynamic content, database, and session tracking. Even built entire commerce site like Tokopedia, Shopee, or etc. It is integrated with a number of popular database like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, Sybase, Informix, and Microsoft SQL Server. So I'm gonna explain you about the website design and structure. Next, I'm gonna explain you about the flowchart or the structure of the administrator level. First, the administrator can manage the user and manage the subcategory and manage the news and then manage the opinion of the user or the journalist. Next is the journalist flowchart or the journalist structure. First, the journalist can manage the news or management berita. So the journalist can add some news, delete the news, or edit the news. Okay. Next, I'm gonna explain you about the user structure, user level structure. The first, the user. If the user log into the website, the user will see some navigation like the campus area, mahasiswa area, the news, and lifestyle, and etc. So, the user can also add their opinion. So they need to log in first, and then they can edit, or they can delete their opinion. So my friend will explain our website, all of the website, and my friend will demonstrate the website. So that is from me, Muhammad Arvito Putra. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Timothy Deni atau Tehupuring of Group 6 from 4SC8. Now I'm going to continue where Arvito left off. I'm going to explain the website design and structure. As you can see on the screen, this is the design of the homepage on the design website and the news website. This page can be accessed by everyone, including the admin, the journalist, and also the user. As you can see, the design of the homepage, the banner header is on top, and then below it, there's the navigation menu. On the left section, there is news title along with the picture and the news context. In the middle section, there's the other news, and on the right section, there is the news opinion along with the others such as the ads. And then below it there's the footer banner and the second navigation menu or the footer navigation menu. As you can see on the screen, this is the category page design. This category page design can be accessed by everyone, including the journalist, the admin, and also the user. As you can see, there's nothing much change between the category user and the category page and the home page. Besides that, they eliminate this left section and the middle section to create a new section. That new section contains the category title, the subcategory menu, and also the latest news along with the image and the news context. As you can see here, this is a case diagram. The case diagram here is used to explain any possible case within the website. And also to explain the difference between levels of user. On the left, we have the user level. The user can read the news. They can also perform login and also manage their news. And on the middle, there's the journalist. The journalist can manage news too, but they can edit news, delete news, and also add news. Below there's the admin. The admin can manage news, manage journalists, and also manage user. Now this is the flowchart of the admin activity within the website. When the admin start, they will be needed to log in. If the login credential is correct, they can continue. Now, if the login credential is incorrect, they cannot continue, which make them stuck at the login page. If they can continue, they will be given the choice either to manage news, manage user, or manage journalists. Each of the managing point, they can perform actions such as add, edit, or delete. And then they can also log out as an admin. Now this is the initial design of the home page. As you can see, this is the home page that we just talked about. So the design here, there's the on top, there's the banner, and below it there's the navigation menu. And then on the left section, there's the latest news along with the picture and the context. And in the middle section, there's other news. And on the right section, there is the latest opinion and the ads. Now I think there is enough from both me and Arvito. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.